Hi, I'm Matt and I'm a coach. People often ask me how they should make decisions. Perhaps they face an opportunity and they don't know whether it's right or wrong for them. Perhaps there are multiple options and they're not able to decide between one or another. I'm going to show you a simple tool that helps make decisions easier. You'll need to understand the values by which you make judgments. You'll need to have done a values exercise and know your top 3 values by which you live your life. Once you know those, you can begin the exercise. To begin this exercise, we draw a triangle at the top of the page. And I'm going to plot my 3 highest priority values against this triangle. So in my case, it's curiosity, collaboration, and creativity. And I'm going to take 10 points and distribute them across this triangle in order of priority. So for curiosity, I'm going to score that as a 5. For collaboration, working with others, I'm going to give that a 3. And creativity, a 2. So this is the steady state of how I balance those values against one another. I then draw a hypothetical timeline of change and opportunity. I'm going to divide that into time periods, and we will put some decisions into this and see what happens. So the first opportunity, a hypothetical opportunity, is that somebody has asked me to work as part of a team on a creative project. It's a short-term contract, and that happens in 3 months' time. So in order to make a decision as to whether I should do the project or not, I draw myself another triangle, and then I score that opportunity against the values. So in that case, the collaboration opportunity, or the opportunity for collaboration, extremely high. Curiosity, maybe there's a little curiosity in the project, and the opportunity for creativity, about a 3. So I can, first of all, determine how this aligns to my values, obviously very heavily against the value of collaboration, but also I can compare it to how it compares to my baseline or benchmark. Let's take another hypothetical situation. A few months from now, I consider the opportunity to travel the world, to take in the sights, to go to lots of different countries, experience lots of different cultures. And I'm making a decision as to whether or not I should do that. Again, I will draw a triangle and I will redistribute the 10 points that I have against my values. So in terms of curiosity, this is going to score extremely highly. I'm going to give that a 6. In terms of creativity, opportunity to write, an opportunity to take photographs, that's a 3. However, traveling on my own and not working in teams, the opportunity to collaborate is potentially quite low, maybe a 1. Once again, I can use these scores to determine how well this aligns to the values, but also how it compares to the benchmark. Now let's consider a situation where there's multiple options. Say, for example, I'm simultaneously offered 3 different job opportunities. How do I use the tool then? Well, for each one, I create a triangle, and for each one, I give it a score. Then what I'm able to do is make a comparison between the scores of the options and each of those scores against the benchmark or constant. This simple tool helps us make yes-no decisions against opportunities, or helps us choose between options when we need to make a decision between them. So as you can see, a simple and yet powerful tool to help you make decisions. Whether it's a yes-no on something that is an opportunity ahead of you, or some way of selecting between multiple options. I hope that you found this tool helpful, and I look forward to introducing you to more.